Hey everyone, in this guide, I'll show you how to change your nickname in Dola AI in 2026, step by step, so your account reflects the name you want to use. First, log into your Dola AI account using your browser or desktop app. Once you're inside, go to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking your profile picture or initials in the top right corner of the dashboard. Next, look for a section labeled something like Profile, Account Info, or Personal Details. This is where you can edit your display name, nickname, and other account information. Click on the nickname or display name field. Delete the current nickname and type in the new one you want to use. Make sure it's something recognizable and appropriate, especially if you're using Dola AI for work or collaboration. After typing your new nickname, check for a save or update button and click it to confirm the change. Your nickname should update instantly across the platform, including chats and dashboards. If you don't see the change immediately, refresh your page or log out and log back in. This ensures the new nickname appears correctly in all parts of your account. And yeah, that's it. Changing your nickname in Dola AI in 2026 is simple once you know where to go in the account settings. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy tutorials.